Good morning, Gromy. Today is Tuesday, February the 24th. And I think my little lady needs a little help. I'm seeing the deficiency here. And these things are rough on me because I am partially colorblind. But I think she needs a little shot of my homemade cow mag. I'm gonna give her a little hit. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is my homemade cow mag. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. I'm gonna mix two liters. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon to 2 liters, and we're gonna give her a water. Hey, look at that yellow sticky down there. I caught that little bastard. Don't see, that was the only net I saw. I don't see no more. Back in the flash. Okay, dokie. For those of you that are new to growing, 68 to 72 degrees are your ideal temperatures for watering your cannabis plants. I'm gonna give it to her. Let me get you on the stand. Okay. I went ahead and mixed the whole gallon so I wouldn't have to fart around with the other plants. I used 1 tablespoon my homemade cow mag to a gallon of water. Then I'm going to add another 2 liters to this and dilute this all back down and pH it again. Go ahead and give it to my damn autos. I'm not going to worry about it. I believe I have used CalMag 1 time in 3 years on autoplower. I find that they do not need it. With what I use, using my Dr. Earth. And I've been dry amendments forever. I'm just now starting this liquid stuff. First time full term was when I was making the beans for this cheese. And can't walk and chew bubble gum as the last time. And I've already lost my count on this. So I'm gonna shut her off here. Go back and look at my video before I continue. Don't let your dingle dangle dingle in the dirt. And most importantly, have a fantastic fucking day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here.